Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to see your rating in Chase.com. First of all, launch open Chase.com application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to see your rating, it is actually very simple. For that, tap on the more icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, once you do that, you'll be led to the more interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. At first, you'll be able to find the option for stats, tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the stats interface. You'll be able to find various time periods like 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, 1 year, all time. You can simply tap on the time period of your choice. Now once you do that, your stats page will display your rating history including graphs of your progress over different time periods. So in this interface, you'll be able to see your rating. So that is how you see your rating in Chase.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.